Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Zone. Today in this video, I share with you some beautiful crochet coffee mug cover designs model. A crochet coffee mug cover, also known as a mug cozy, is a decorative and functional item crocheted to fit around a coffee mug. It is designed to keep the coffee or tea warm for longer periods and protect hand from the heat of the mug. These covers can be made in various patterns, colors and styles, often adding a personal touch or charm to the mug. They are popular in farmhouse and shabby-chic decor styles due to their handmade and cozy aesthetic. Here are some tips for crocheting a coffee mug cover. Choose the right yarn. Use a yarn that is easy to clean and not too thick. Cotton yarn is a great choice because it is durable and absorbent. Select the correct hook size. Make sure to use the hook size recommended for your chosen yarn to achieve the right tension and stitch definition. Measure your mug. Measure the circumference and height of your mug to ensure a snug fit. You can also crochet a sample swatch to check your gauge. Simple stitch patterns. Start with basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet for an easy and quick project. As you gain confidence, you can experiment with more complex patterns. Add a button or loop. Incorporate a button and loop closer to make it easy to put the cover on and take it off. This also adds a decorative touch. Embellishments. Consider adding embellishments like crocheted flowers, leaves, or other motifs to give your mug cover a personalized look. Customization. You can customize the design by adding stripes, changing colors, and using different stitch patterns to match your style or the recipient taste. Finishing touches. Weave in all ends neatly and block it cozy if necessary to ensure it keeps its shape. Test fit. Regularly test the fit on your mug as you crochet to make sure it is the right size. Adjust your pattern as needed. Care instructions. If you plan to give the mug cover as a gift, include care instructions, especially if it is made with delicate yarn. Creating crochet coffee mug cover can be a fun and rewarding project, perfect for gift or personal use. Here are additional tips for creating crochet coffee mug covers. Stitch markers. Use stitch markers to keep track of your rows or pattern repeats. This helps maintain even spacing and ensures you don't lose your place. Gauge swatch. Crochet a small gauge swatch first to take your tension. This helps ensure that your finished cozy will fit the mug properly. Elastic band. Consider incorporating a small elastic band around the top or bottom edge for a snugger fit. This can help the cozy stay in place better. Slip stitch seam. For a seamless look, use slip stitches to join the beginning and end of its row, creating an almost invisible seam. Reinforced edge. Crochet a couple of extra rows at the top and bottom for reinforced edge. This can stability and structure to the cozy. Pattern variations. Explore different pattern variations like ribbing or textured stitches for added interest. Color changes. Practice changing colors smoothly if you want to add stripes or color blocks. Carry the yarn up the inside of the cozy to avoid too many ends to weave in. Felt lining. For added insulation, consider sewing a felt lining inside the cozy. This can help keep the wafers warm for longer. Gift sets. Creating matching set of mug cozies for different mug size or pair them with crocheted coasters for a coordinated gift set. Personalization. Add in details, names, or small crocheted appliques like hearts or stars to make the cozy unique and personal. Machine washability. Choose the yarn that is machine washable for easy care, especially if the cozy is likely to get spilled on. Patterns and tutorials. Look for free patterns and video tutorials online to get inspiration and step-by-step guidance. By following these tips, you can create functional and stylish crochet coffee mug covers that make great gifts and add a personal touch to your coffee routine. Thanks for watching. Happy crocheting!